This money that's being raised here, it can't be replaced.
Put your hands together, Madison, come on! Yeah!
The Funk Out event is unlike any other event that we have for the Carbone Cancer Center, in that this event is so much fun, it's so upbeat, the music is amazing, it is an incredible experience. If you're just looking for a good time, this is a fun thing to go to. The money that we receive from this event allows us to pursue our ideas that are prime time, that are ready to go right now. We can make a big difference. Excitingly, our research has been focused on trying to divide colorectal cancer up into multiple different subtypes. So what this means is when someone is diagnosed with colon cancer, no longer are they going to be diagnosed with just stage 4 or stage 3 colon cancer, but actually we're going to look at the biology of the tumors to help us figure out what's the best way to treat those patients. One of these subtypes that has an abnormality in the DNA that we call a PIK3CA mutation, we think is actually going to be very susceptible to treatments. If this is successful in the clinical trials, this will be the first time where we actually have a mutation or biomarker that tells us that patients will respond to treatment. Our hope is that based on the strategy that we use to develop treatments for this particular subtype, that we would also be able to develop therapies in the future for other subtypes as well. The tumor started out very small in the colon and progressed over just 2 weeks. However, if we used our treatment, we started with these tumors here in the colon and they had a profound response. You can see this tumor is much, much smaller. This potential exciting treatment for this subtype of colon cancer, it wouldn't be known at this point if we hadn't received that money. Because we've been so successful in our research attempts, in order to make this move further, we need help. And so as part of this clinical trial, we're going to be talking about additional research funding in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. In addition, we have multiple millions of dollars in grants currently submitted related to this work.
Everybody, let's hear everybody all at once. Make some noise for the bride. Let's hear it.
Kate was truly an inspiration to me. She carried herself in a way that you would never forget her. When I myself was then diagnosed with rectal cancer, just 2 weeks after starting a faculty position here at the UW, I remembered Kate. I know what it's like to go through the radiation and the chemo and the surgery. And it has a profound impact on my patients when I tell them, I've been there, I've done this. We can do this together, and I'm honored to be part of the team helping take care of you. And I knew that I wanted to make a difference for patients like Kate. And I'm excited that as part of our research, we're now helping make those advances. But we need a big impact now.
'Cause we all got to live.